Identity verification is an essential process of confirming an individual or entity's identity, ensuring that they are who they claim to be. This crucial step is employed across various industries and contexts, from financial institutions and online services to healthcare and government agencies, to enhance security, prevent fraud, and maintain regulatory compliance. But the KYC process can be a long and resource-intensive process. But what if it doesn't have to be? In this video, we will analyse how to automate your KYC process using iDenfy, a leading tool in identity verification. Also, in today's video, we will be taking a look at what is identity verification and why is it important, should the KYC process be automated, and how iDenfy can help you with the identity verification process. Hello, and welcome to another KYC Lookup video where we bring you AML related content to help you enhance your knowledge in the fight against money laundering. Before diving into today's video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a comment with any suggested topics you would like us to cover in the future. We also have a great opportunity for you, so keep watching until the end to find out what it is. So, on to today's video. What is identity verification and why is it important? Identity verification is the process of confirming that an individual or entity is who they claim to be. It is a crucial aspect of security, fraud prevention, and regulatory compliance in various industries, particularly in finance, online services, healthcare, and government. Identity verification methods can vary depending on the level of assurance required and the context in which it is used. Here are some common methods of identity verification: document verification, biometric verification, knowledge-based verification, two-factor authentication, 2FA, or multi-factor authentication, MFA, behavioural analysis, blockchain and distributed ledger technology, and government ID verification. Identity verification is essential for various purposes, including preventing fraud, complying with regulations such as Know Your Customer or KYC regulations in finance, granting access to secure systems or buildings, and ensuring the integrity and security of online transactions. The choice of verification methods depends on the specific requirements of the organisation or application, as well as the level of security needed to protect against identity theft and fraud. Should the KYC process be automated? Know Your Customer KYC is a vital component of companies' risk management and regulatory compliance efforts. It involves verifying the identity of customers to mitigate financial crimes, such as money laundering, fraud, and terrorist financing. Overall, the KYC process has been completed manually by a KYC analyst. However, in recent years, the financial industry has witnessed a significant shift towards automating the KYC processes. This transformation is driven by the need of efficiency, accuracy, and compliance with stringent regulatory requirements. If the Know Your Customer KYC processes are not automated, several challenges and consequences can arise for financial institutions and their customers. For example, operational inefficiency. Manual KYC processes are time-consuming and labour-intensive. They require significant manpower to verify customer identities, validate documents, and conduct background checks. This inefficiency can result in delays in customer onboarding and increased operational costs. Error-prone. Human errors are more likely in manual KYC processes, such as data entry mistakes and misinterpretation of identification documents. These errors can lead to incorrect identity verification, regulatory non-compliance, and potential financial losses. Compliance risks. Regulatory requirements are constantly evolving, with increasingly stringent rules to combat money laundering, fraud, and terrorist financing. Manual processes may struggle to keep up with these changes, leaving financial institutions vulnerable to compliance violations and hefty fines. And customer frustration. Lengthy and cumbersome KYC process can frustrate customers. In a digital age, where consumers expect convenience and speed, manual KYC can discourage potential clients from using a financial institution's service. With this being said, there is a solution that could streamline the KYC automation process for a more efficient onboarding process. iDenfy. But who are iDenfy? iDenfy has created a global digital identity verification and fraud prevention platform, helping organisations comply with the ever-evolving Know Your Customer KYC, anti-money laundering AML regulations. They provide businesses and organisations with tools and services to verify the identity of their customers or users online, helping to prevent fraud and ensure compliance with KYC, Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering AML regulations. iDenfy offers a range of identity verification methods, including document verification, facial recognition, and biometric authentication, which can be integrated into various online platforms and applications. These solutions are valuable for every business, whether you're a small startup or a high-end enterprise. Not only can iDenfy make your KYC process fully automated, but they will also save you countless hours verifying a customer's documentation and identity. Let's take a look at a non-automated way to identify and onboard an individual as a customer. Here are the typical steps. 1. Provide personal information. The individual is required to provide personal information. 2. Document verification. The individual is asked to submit official identification documents to confirm their identity, for example, passport, driver's license, national identity card or utility bills or bank statements as proof of address. 3. Verification of identity. The financial institution or organisation will review the provided identification documents. 4. Risk assessment. The institution assesses the level of risk associated with the individual based on various factors. 5. Customer due diligence, CDD. This step involves a thorough review of the individual's background to identify any potential red flags. 6. Identity verification. The KYC process may involve identity verification, which can include methods like facial recognition. And 7. Screening against watch lists. The individual's information is screened against watch lists, which may include lists of sanctioned individuals or entities. All these steps are typically what the KYC analyst would need to go through to check the identity of an individual being onboarded. As you can see, this takes a lot of time, patience, and accuracy. Now let's look at onboarding an individual using iDenfy tools. 1. All documentation gathered can be uploaded onto the iDenfy tool. 2. Within 3 minutes, all ID verifications are checked by iDenfy experts who flag any issues for further review. And 3. Information is reported back to the organisation. As you can see, using iDenfy saves potentially hours worth of checks with the utmost accuracy, and with 99.99% success rate, you can see why so many are choosing to work with iDenfy to take care of all their KYC needs. So in summary, not automating KYC processes can lead to operational inefficiency, compliance risk, higher costs, and a less than ideal customer experience. In a rapidly evolving regulatory landscape, where the consequences of non-compliance can be severe. Automation has become essential for financial institutions to stay competitive, reduce risk, and provide seamless customer onboarding experience. And iDenfy can help you do this. Well, there you have it. What is identity verification and why is it important? Should the KYC process be automated? And how iDenfy can help you with identity verification process. Please let us know in the comments section if you believe making the KYC process automated is a more efficient way of onboarding a customer, and any other topics you would like us to cover in the future. Now for the exciting part. We've partnered with iDenfy to bring you this great opportunity at using their tool to help automate all your KYC needs. So click the link in the description to gain access to the promotion of getting a free setup, normally worth $800. So what are you waiting for? This amazing tool is waiting for you. Thank you for watching the video, and if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more amazing videos.